Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashish and today I wanted to report back on one of the most frustrating issues with the new M1 MacBooks, and it has to do with the display issues. Now you may remember that there are many limitations when it comes to external displays when running an M1 MacBook. Some of it is to do with the ability to run two external displays. Well, nothing's changed there. The only way to do that with one of these laptops is to run emulation, and it's not a very neat solution. It requires you to buy additional hardware, and really if you want to do that, this isn't the computer for you. But secondly, there were some issues in terms of compatibility with certain monitor brands when it came to display connections. Say for instance, running a USB-C monitor. If you were running a USB-C monitor and you wanted to connect the M1 MacBook to a USB-C display, in the case of my BenQ monitor, the refresh rate was stuck at 30 Hz instead of the 60 Hz the monitor is supposed to run at. And no matter how many Big Sur updates have come out, they've failed to fix this. It's still the same case. Unfortunately, nothing's changed on that front. However, there is good news when it comes to another issue, which was relating to the fact that whenever you returned to a M1 MacBook which was connected to an external display, and when you tried to wake this computer up from sleep, if you were running a scaled resolution on that external display, you would see a very small windowed mode being produced on that display. Then you had to open the lid of the computer, shut it down again for the computer to recognize the correct set scaled resolution for that display, and then it would output the correct resolution to the external display. But that has changed with Big Sur 11.3 and now 11.3.1. And if you want to see a list of improvements within 11.3.1 and 11.3, I will leave links in the description. You can check that out in the support document. But for me personally, the biggest improvement has been that whenever I wake up this computer now from sleep, it will output to the correct resolution to the external display, which makes your life a lot easier. It may not seem like a big thing, but when you do this repeatedly 10 times a day and having to open and close the lid just to get the correct resolution, this was certainly a very frustrating problem. But that has now long gone, so it's good news. At least it can now output to the correct resolution to an external display when connected via HDMI, mind you. So it will not work via USB-C, so it will not work at 60 Hz even via DP or DisplayPort. It will only output at 60 Hz if connected via a dongle or a dock through the HDMI connection. But happily, that output now works well. The correct resolution gets displayed. So this was one of the long-standing issues that was still plaguing the M1 MacBooks, and fortunately that has been fixed. I sincerely wish that they're able to fix the refresh rate issue as well when outputting via USB-C, because there's an increasing number of monitors these days that use the USB-C connection. So we should be able to simply use one cable, charge the laptop at the same time, and output to 60 Hz. Such a simple thing for such a powerful computer, but we're getting there slowly. One issue has been resolved, and as soon as the other issue is fixed, I will certainly report that back. Meanwhile, we've heard news of the M2 chip and a complete redesign of this MacBook Air with new colors, and I've covered that in a new video. If you haven't watched that already, please do watch that by clicking on the link in the description. Also, check out the playlist on the M1 Mac, which covers many aspects of the buying process and also relating to its performance. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one.